What if I told you that just 1 cup of colored cooked rice could turn your soil into a living powerhouse full of beneficial microbes? Sounds unbelievable, right? But this simple kitchen trick can seriously boost your plant growth. Most people don't realize that healthy soil isn't just dirt, it's alive. And the more good microbes you have, the stronger and faster your plants will grow. Here's the trick. Take 1 cup of colored cooked rice, no salt, no oil. Let it cool down completely. Now, spread it lightly over the top of your soil, or bury small portions just below the surface near your plants. That's it. As the rice slowly breaks down, it feeds beneficial microorganisms in the soil. These microbes multiply quickly and start improving soil structure, releasing nutrients, and helping roots absorb them more efficiently. Within days, your soil becomes richer, softer, and more fertile. Plants start showing stronger growth, greener leaves, and better resistance to stress. For best results, use this method once every 2 to 3 weeks. Don't overdo it. A little is enough to activate the soil life. So next time you have leftover rice, don't throw it away. Use it to supercharge your soil naturally. Try this simple trick and watch your plants come alive.